start with the first and foundational step, confidence. We're talking about confidence without the ego. True confidence isn't about showing off or needing others to validate you. It's about knowing your own worth, staying grounded, and not needing to prove anything. One simple way to build this kind of confidence is actually to keep a little confidence journal. Just jot down a few things you're proud of. Small wins, personal achievements, skills you're working on. Over time, these notes become a gentle reminder of who you are and what you bring to the table. Next up, we've got active listening. Trust me, one of the most graceful things you can do is make people feel heard. Instead of waiting to jump in with your own story, try listening a little longer, nodding, and showing genuine interest in what the other person is saying. You'll be surprised how much this changes the interaction. All right, moving on to our third point, which is all about keeping calm and composed. Staying composed, even when things get a bit stressful, can make you appear both confident and graceful. When you feel the stress building up, try taking a few deep breaths before responding. Next, let's talk body language. Graceful body language means standing or sitting tall, relaxed shoulders, and open, welcoming gestures. The way you carry yourself speaks volumes before you even say a word. Another key to presenting yourself gracefully is choosing your words with intention. When you speak, try to avoid gossip, complaints, or anything that could bring down the vibe. Instead, focus on words that uplift or encourage. Moving on to a practical one, how you dress. Now, I'm not saying you need to wear a suit everywhere, but dressing in a way that reflects your best self can really impact how you feel. Wear something that makes you feel confident and comfortable, something that feels true to you. It doesn't have to be flashy. It just has to feel right. Graceful people are often remembered for how they made others feel. They're generous with compliments, patient with others, and they genuinely care. One practical tip: aim to give a genuine compliment each day. This small act can leave a big impact. Stay humble. It's easy to get caught up in achievements, but true grace comes from recognizing that everyone around you has value too. Try listing 3 things you're grateful for each day, and you'll notice a shift in how you view yourself and others. Set boundaries respectfully. Being graceful doesn't mean saying yes to everything. It's about being kind, but also clear on what you can and can't take on. Boundaries set with respect show that you value both your own time and theirs. And finally, it's all about reflection. Grace isn't a one and done thing. It's a journey. At the end of each week, take 5 minutes to think about the moments when you felt graceful and where you could improve. So that's it, and I hope you found these tips helpful.